In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize Google Maps on iPhone. First, a quick reality check. Google Maps on iPhone doesn't truly minimize like a video player does, but it can shrink into a small floating window, picture in picture, while you're navigating. That way you can still follow directions, glance at your next turn, and hear voice prompts while using other apps or returning to your home screen. To see this in action, start with active navigation. Open Google Maps, pick your destination, and begin turn-by-turn directions. It's important that navigation is running. Simply browsing the map won't trigger the mini window. Once directions are live, leave the app. If your iPhone has a home button, press it once. If your iPhone uses Face ID, swipe up from the bottom to go home. When you do this during navigation, Google Maps should automatically shrink into a small, picture-in-picture window that sits on top of your home screen or any other app you open. You can move that window by pressing and dragging it around the screen and settling it into a corner to keep it out of the way. Need a closer look? Just tap the small window to bring Google Maps back to full screen instantly. Throughout this, voice guidance continues and the mini view updates as you move so you don't miss a turn. If it stays full screen and refuses to shrink, there are two settings worth checking. Open Settings, go to General, then Picture-in-Picture, and turn on Start PP automatically. This tells iOS to create that floating window whenever an app supports it during an activity like navigation. Next, go back to Settings, find Google Maps, and set Location to Always. Google Maps needs uninterrupted location access to keep navigation running while the app is in the small window and while you're on the home screen. If location is limited to only when the app is open, iOS may not allow the picture-in-picture experience to continue reliably. Here's a quick tip. If the floating window still doesn't appear right away, try a lighter swipe up to go home instead of fully swiping and force closing the app. The goal is to leave Google Maps running, not to dismiss it. And if a floating map isn't essential for you, you can simply app switch, go home, or use the bottom swipe bar to bounce between apps while Google Maps keeps guiding you in the background, then tap it again when you want the full view. That's it. Start navigation, go home, and let picture-in-picture keep directions visible while you multitask. Once those settings are enabled, it works smoothly and predictably.